Hi! Welcome to K-Math TV. In this video, I'll show you how to multiply mixed numbers and fractions. Okay, let's answer the first example, 5 and 3/4 times 1/8. In multiplying mixed number and fraction, we need to change first the mixed number to improper fraction. So, let's change 5 and 3/4 to improper fraction. To change mixed number to improper fraction, just multiply the denominator and the whole number, then add the numerator. The result or the answer is the new numerator. Then, just copy the denominator. Okay, let's change 5 and 3/4 to improper fraction. Let's multiply the denominator 4 and the whole number 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. Then, add the numerator. 20 plus 3 equals 23. The new numerator is 23. Next, copy the denominator 4. Okay, we already changed the mixed number to improper fraction. Now, let's multiply. Copy the multiplier times 1/8. Okay, just multiply the numerators. 23 times 1 equals 23. And multiply also the denominators. 4 times 8 equals 32. Okay, the answer is 23 over 32. This fraction is already in lowest term because the numerator and the denominator do not have other common factor aside from 1. So, this is the final answer. Next, let's multiply 3 and 1/2 times 4/5. Okay, first step is to change the mixed number to improper fraction. So let's change 3 and 1/2 to improper fraction. Multiply the denominator and the whole number. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then, add the numerator plus 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then, copy the denominator 2. Okay, 3 and 1/2 is 7/2 in improper fraction. Next step is to multiply. Okay, let's copy 4/5 times 4/5. Okay, let's multiply. Multiply the numerators. 7 times 4 equals 28. And multiply also the denominators. 2 times 5 equals 10. The answer is 28 over 10. This fraction is improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So, we need to simplify it by dividing the numerator by the denominator. If we divide 28 by 10, the quotient is 2 and there is a remainder 8. Since there is a remainder, we will write the answer as mixed number. Okay, let's write the answer. The quotient 2 is the whole number. The remainder 8 is the numerator of the fraction. And the divisor 10 is the denominator. Okay, this is how to write the answer if you change improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, the answer is 2 and 8/10. But the fraction 8/10 can still be reduced to lowest term because the numerator and the denominator are both even numbers. That means they have other common factor aside from 1. So, we need to divide them by their GCF. The GCF of 8 and 10 is 2. So let's divide them by 2. Okay, copy the whole number 2. Then divide the numerator. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And divide also the denominator. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, the final answer is 2 4/5. Another example, 3/10 times 12 2/3. First step, change the mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, let's copy the first fraction or the multiplicand 3/10. Now let's change the mixed number 12 2/3 to improper fraction. Multiply the denominator 3 and the whole number 12. 3 times 12 equals 36. Then, add the numerator 2. 36 plus 2 equals 38. The new numerator is 38. Then, copy the denominator 3. Okay, the mixed number is an improper fraction now. So next step is to multiply. Just multiply the numerators and multiply also the denominators. Or use cancellation before multiplying. And in this problem, I'll show you how to use cancellation before multiplying. We can do cross cancellation. We can cancel the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction if they have GCF. We can also cancel the numerator of the second fraction and the denominator of the first fraction if they have GCF. Or we can just simplify the first fraction and simplify also the second fraction. Okay, we can use cross cancellation in this example. We can cancel the numerator 3 and the denominator 3. We will just divide them by 3. Cancel, cancel. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Okay. Now look at the denominator of the first fraction, 10, and the numerator of the second fraction, 38. They are both even numbers, so we can cancel them because they have GCF. The GCF of 38 and 10 is 2. So let's divide them by 2. Cancel, cancel. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 38 divided by 2 equals 19. Okay, we are done with the cancellation process. Now, let's multiply the fractions. Let's multiply the new numerators and the new denominators. Okay, 1 times 19 equals 19. Let's multiply also the denominators. 5 times 1 equals 5. Okay, the answer is 19 over 5. It is an improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So, we need to simplify it by dividing the numerator by the denominator. If we divide 19 by 5, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 4. Since there is a remainder, we will write the answer as a mixed number. Okay, let's write the answer. The answer is 3 4/5. Okay, now let's solve the last example. 2/9 times 4 1/3. First, let's write the mixed number as an improper fraction. Copy the first fraction, 2/9. And change the mixed number 4 1/3 to improper fraction. Multiply the denominator and the whole number. 3 times 4 equals 12. Then, add the numerator 1. 12 plus 1 equals 13. And copy the denominator 3. Okay, next step is to multiply. Multiply the numerators. 2 times 13 equals 26. And multiply also the denominators. 9 times 3 equals 27. Okay, the answer is 26 over 27. It is already in lowest term because the numerator and the denominator are consecutive numbers. So, this is the final answer.